food and drink facilities in the City of Carlsbad are required to participate in the city's grease control program. Please follow the best management practices to prevent fats, oils, and grease, or fog, from blocking sewer pipes and creating costly spills. Let's get started. Scrape and wipe. Store used grease in proper receptacles for collection and keep areas clean. Use dry methods to clean up spills. Install drain screens and keep them clean. Do not hose off kitchen mats outside. Maintain hoods to keep them working properly. Report spills to your supervisor. Keep records of training, disposal, and maintenance activities. Hang fog poster in food prep area. Train all new employees and retrain existing employees twice a year. Fines can result from failure to follow BMPs. To report sewer backups, overflows, or request training materials, contact the City of Carlsbad at 760-438-2722.